recover lost. Here's how to create another account on your PC for a child or someone else who doesn't have a Microsoft account. Once you create a password for a local account, don't forget it. There is no way to recover lost password for local accounts. On Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Professional Editions, select the Start button. Then select Settings. Click Accounts. Click Family and Other People. This option allows people who are not part of your family to sign in with their own accounts. This won't add to your family. Click Add someone else to this PC. Enter a username, password. Write password hint, and then select Next. To remove an account, click Removes button. Thanks for watching and subscribe to channel. Peace.